up straight. Straight up, straight. Straight up, straight. I see this industry has a lot of puppets on a string, unbeknownst to the public, releasing trash music without any substance, while blacks remain targets without any justice. Corona is here, but don't fear, it's man-made, they will aware and don't care, yeah, they can't kill the energy. I can do all things through.
What's up, world? Welcome to the WTTDX. It's in the stew. I'm here, man. If you're new to Logic Pro X, if you're new to Logic, new to production in general, I'm gonna show you how to start a new session. Make you work your way into production. Let's go.
Welcome
to the DEEEAAANXperience.
I'm in the stew.
Follow me on Facebook, Spotify, Instagram, Twitter. I'm all over. Also, you can go click on my website, DEENmusicProENT.biz, and you can get what's going on with Dean Music Production Entertainment. Doing some things over here, you feel me? Growing here. Come grow with me. Come grow with us. Let's make it happen. Serious times right now, man. It's serious times, man. It's crazy out there. I'm like, some things can't explain, but you know what? When put in God's hands, keep moving. But one thing I wanted to talk about is, man, there's never been a time in my life where I had to actually wait in line to do laundry, or rather even wait in line to go to the store to get food. It's crazy waiting in long lines like this. Then, after you wait for like a half an hour in them long lines, then you see this. Crazy, right? You gotta just keep on striving, keep on going, man. Keep on grinding, man. Keep on moving and pushing, man. And the main thing is, number one, is be healthy, man. First and foremost, keep your herbs, your spices, keep your veggies and your fruits. You need all of that in your system, especially in this time of day. That coronavirus is serious. I heard out there they're saying it's a hoax. Nah. Well, I've personally been affected by it from someone I know that has passed on. Is real. Also, I hear they talking about reopening. Don't fall for that okie doke. That's only gonna cause more deaths, more cases to pile up. No. Stay inside. Unless you have to really go out. Unless it's a real emergency. Other than that, stay inside. There's plenty of things you can do inside, especially to stay healthy, keep your immune system up. You can work out, like hence. Physical fitness is key. And like I say, keep your fruits, your veggies, your herbs, your spices, your vitamins, your minerals, all of that. You be alright. But today, I wanted to talk to, first off, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, like, share, hit that notification bell, follow me on Facebook, Spotify, Instagram, Twitter. I'm all over. Also, you can go click on my website, DEENmusicProENT.biz, and you can get what's going on with Dean Music Production Entertainment. Doing some things over here, you feel me? Growing here. Come grow with me. Come grow with us. Let's make it happen. If you're new to Logic Pro X, if you're new to Logic, new to production in general, I'm going to show you how to start a new session. Get into this video.
What's going on? Now this is the first screen that you will see when you open a new file to start your new session. There's five different choices that you can use, so I'll explain each. Software instrument, that's where you're bringing in a VST within your program, or some sort of instrument within your program to program the MIDI. Also, they all have different settings as well. Like, you can set the instrument empty channel strictness. You normally keep it that way so you have a clean slate to work from. And it'll be output 1 and 2, which is stereo output. And of course, go with that. I'll go over that later. Now, if you want to bring in an audio, now there's two different. There'll be different reasons for this. There'll be different settings for. Depends on what type of audio you will be using. For instance, if you're bringing in like a loop, a WAV file, AIF file, a loop or such, or a riff or whatever the case, you will use input 1 and 2, output 1 and 2, stereo input, stereo output. But now if you plan on sending an audio track to record vocals, now you need to know whichever respective input that the mic is plugged into on your interface, you need to place that, because this is mono. You always bring your vocals in your input as mono. So it'll be one input and it'll be a stereo output. Drummer, now this is artificial intelligence. Pretty much is like Logic provides you a drummer to provide the drums for you, pretty much. And you just choose which combination you like best, pretty much. But kind of takes away from your own customization and your own personal, but teach his own. But anyway, you could choose between genre, whatever you want, rock, alternative, songwriter, R&B, hip hop, and there's always be stereo output. External MIDI. Now, that's if you have a keyboard or MPC or any sort of external instrument. As far as MIDI instrument, that's where you use this to bring the track in for the track. There's a destination. You choose it on a particular destination. Guitar, bass. Now, it's self-explanatory, obviously. If you have a guitar or a bass plugged in to your amp or your interface, then you use this one. You create this track. Usually, a lot of times, it's your choice, but for the most part, it'll be mono. But it could be stereo as well, but for the most part, it'll be mono that turn the stereo within the program. So, it's up to you. And of course, mono input and stereo output, 1 and 2. Now, for the most part, all these input monitoring, you keep that checked. You keep all of these checked and ascending. I don't even bother with them, to be honest. But the number of tracks, you can also assign the number of tracks you want for each setting. So you want like 5 software instrument tracks, 5 audio tracks, or whatever. It's your choice. You could do that, or just keep it at 1. Whatever, it's your choice. But then you click create. And here you go. This is the way how you start your session. Happy producing.
Let me tell y'all something. If y'all watched the last video, see this.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. That's the sound of that woofer being busted. Yeah, I busted my woofer. Blasting his beats. It happens, all producers, we do it. But we gotta deal with it now. I'm waiting for my new set of speakers right now. And so whenever they get here, it's back on this sword. But no worries. Not stressing it. But I'll tell you, that's a lesson to you. The lesson I've learned and a lesson to you. Do not overwork your speakers. First off, know the power of your speakers. Know the wattage of your speakers and know how much it can take. And then just be moderate with the volume. As much as possible. Trust me, I love blasting. I love blasting my music, but be moderate. That's what that is. But hey, if you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Twitter. I'm all over. As well as click this link below. That's my website, themusicproent.biz. Making moves right here. Come grow with me. You know? We'll make this happen. Till next time, one love. You want to see more videos of WTTDX and the STU? Check these videos out.